Where's Athena? Yeah, you doing the Athena dance? You silly bird. Look at how wet outside it is. Yeah. How wet it is outside, yes. I can word order. I'm doing nano. Bird, you're not going under the couch. Or chair, whatever. It's like a couch chair, you know? Bird. Athena bird. Come here. Come here. You want to step up? Let's look outside, yeah? Look at that. Look at the shed got all, yeah, got all new roof. We finally hired someone to do it. It took Dad falling off a ladder and scraping his arm open, but we finally got someone. Yeah, how about you go back to your cage? You go back? Good girl. I think Sonic needs a little video too. Hello. Here. What's a millet? Millet? Yeah, oh, you like millet. I've never met a budgie that doesn't like millet. Sonic, however, is the first budgie I've ever had that doesn't like swings. If you step up on my finger, you can get the millet. Step on my finger, you can get the millet. Okay, I'm not going to push. Here. But there. Here you go. Until you step on my finger. Yeah. That's what people suggest. They suggest using millet as a means of getting your bird to step up on your hand. Oh yeah, you're so lovely. You're so lovely. You're a lovely little lemon. Gosh, I don't know why my hands won't... They're not shaking, but they won't hold the camera steady. Maybe it's a sign I should go. Yeah, I've got hand sewing to do, believe it or not. So yeah.